What up, what up? It's your boy S.I. Rico. Just got done changing the oil. Had to go to AutoZone to pick up some crush washers because I didn't have one. And I was messing up the driveway. And you know, we can't have that. But while I was at it, I was like, you know what? I might as well just change the oil. Put some fresh oil in it and get it running on tip top shape. You feel me? So that's done. But that's what not this video is about. Video is about turbo blanket. I had this one right here on the Rex, and I have another one. I just put the PT, I think it's called PTP. I think that's the way, I think that's their company. PTP or PTP or TP, some shit. But I put that one on the Rex. I was just laying around. Brand new turbo blanket, never used it. And yeah, I see my boy James D guy put up his video about installing a turbo blanket. And I was like, you know what? I got them. I'm also, you know, use them. So that's what we finna do today. I was gonna go for a test, you know, to see if you can gain some performance, but there's really, you know, there's millions of videos on turbo blankets, you know, if they gain performance or whatnot. I'm just trying to keep my hood temps down as much as possible. And if you got it, why not use it, right? It's right next to the radiator. And we already wrapped the downpipe. So let me set you guys up on a tripod and, you know, put this bad boy on. So how y'all doing though? Hope y'all having a good day. I'm having a good day. You know, hopefully we can gain some little bit of spool with this turbo blanket. I know it won't be no significant difference, but it will keep the under the hood temps way lower. Let's see how we can get under this bad boy and do this. No, that's a tight fit. That's what she said. I know some people swear by these that they gain performance. Me, I never actually, you know, realize a spool difference, but under the hood temps, I know they keep your shit way cooler. They got videos of people just holding their hand on a turbine housing while they're spooling, you know, while they're in the pool, and that's crazy. Let's see, did I put this on the right way? No, I put this on so backwards. I was like, damn, my boy James D, he arm. My boy James D, he got his on like super easy. Look at me, I'm over here struggling and shit. But do I recommend you guys running a turbo blanket? Yes, I do, most definitely. They're worth it. I don't think you'll gain any performance by just using the blanket alone, but like if you use the turbo blanket and like a heat wrap, they got these type of like blankets that go like, it's like a complete blanket like this, and they have buttons in there, and you can just completely wrap the downpipe like you know, like it's a cover or something like that. Those are pretty dope. I don't know the price on those, but I'm thinking about getting one of those right there. Okay, so we got this. All right, wrapped up best it's gonna get. Take your springs and fish them through these little hooks like this. got a good feel how this car feels without the turbo blanket. So, you know, we can go do a pull and let you guys know if I actually see somewhat of a difference. If I can get this bad boy on. All right, there we go. All right, turbo blanket is installed. Make sure I got it on there even. And also with turbo blankets, it's not, you know, it's not good to, you know, remove them, put them back on, remove them, put them back on, because I know they wear down really, really easy. Take you guys off the tripod and show you guys a quick up close look of how it looks. And that's all it is really to it. 2 springs. Some people use the wire, like the real bendable wire. You just wrap it around the loops, and you know, I kind of like that better, you know, because it holds the turbo blanket like really tight. But the springs do too. I think they should come with stronger springs, because over time these do lose they, you know, a spring characteristic. Quick little rundown what happened right now. All right, look, we got the oil in, and then the washer, the crush washer that I bought from AutoZone, it was too thick. So when I screwed the bolt in into the oil pan, you know, I'm trying to get it tight, right? And next thing you know, the fucking threads inside the oil pan stripped. Oh my gosh, dude, like oil started leaking, bro. Just one little simple job becomes a pain in the ass, a headache. So I have to drain the oil all the way back out, and then your boy came with the super Mickey thicky mix. Like, I'm always doing, you know, I want to do stuff right. I just can't change the oil pan right now, so I had to come with some Mickey ass shit. Your boy came with the Mickey, bro. So what I did was, I can get the bolt back in just a little bit snug. So what I did, I got some RTV. I put it on the flat part that's still facing the oil pan, but not inside. So I got that as snug as I can get without, you know, it completely getting back loose. So your boy got some JB Weld, got it snugged up, got some JB Weld, and then put it on the side of the bolt so it'll hold it in until I can get a new oil pan. But dude, like, oh my gosh, it was a pain in the ass, bro. Like, just put some fresh new oil in it, had to drain it right back out, had to clean the oil pan before clean the oil tray before I even do that. Like, it was super headache right now. So I got that done. I just have to wait till the JB Weld dry. The bolt is snug though. Turbo blanket on there. Even found another bolt. I mean, another nut over here because I lost one. And yeah, man, I gotta fucking fix this driveway because all this shit right here, I don't like this. I gotta do all this shit, even right there. Take it out tomorrow and see how she run. But I gotta get that fixed now though. Like that oil pan is bothering me already. But she got some fresh oil in it. Yeah, it's cool. Car runs good. Car run real good. Just gotta fix the oil pan now. So this is your boy SR Rico. Hope you guys like the little install of the turbo blanket. Do I suggest you to buy a turbo blanket from my past experiences? Yeah, I do. They work pretty good. And also, you know, if you got a top mount manifold and you got a nice painted car, that turbo will cook that damn paint on the top of the hood. So get you a turbo blanket, protect your paint, man. This your boy SR Rico. Love y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.